Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on Steam. First, you will need to have the Steam client installed on your computer and a free Steam account. eFootball is a free-to-play soccer simulation, so there is no purchase required. Before downloading, check that your PC meets the minimum system requirements, including at least 8 GB of RAM and 70 GB of available storage space. Once Steam is open, head to the store and use the search bar to find eFootball. After locating the game, click on it to go to its page. You'll then see a Play Game or Install button. Click this to begin the download process. Be aware that the game is quite large, around 50 GB, so the download could take a few hours depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch eFootball. You'll find different game modes, such as Authentic Team for playing with real clubs and Dream Team for building your custom squad. The game includes a step-by-step tutorial to teach you basic controls like passing, shooting, and tackling. You can also adjust your keyboard or controller settings in the game's configuration menu for a personalized experience. Many players find a controller offers the best feel for soccer games. To truly enjoy eFootball, remember to log in daily for bonuses and complete weekly events to earn valuable eFootball coins and other items. Strategically develop your players by carefully allocating progression points, focusing on stats that complement their roles. Experiment with various formations and team play styles, like quick counter or possession game, to discover the tactics that best fit your personal playing style and lead your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.